When you think of Amazon nightmares, you might picture spiders or snakes. But what about a fungus that turns ants into zombies? The Ophiocordyceps fungus infects ants, hijacks their brains, and erupts from their heads to spread spores. A real-life horror story. But that's just the beginning. The Amazon is a battleground where plants aren't just passive, they're ruthless competitors. Some plants have evolved to be killers and thieves, using strategies that are as chilling as any predators. These are the parasites. Silent, relentless, and shockingly creative. They don't just make their own food, they steal, strangle, and deceive to survive. Forget the zombie ant for a moment. Let's dive deeper into the Amazon to meet its true botanical nightmares. We'll encounter a tree that hugs its victims to death, a flower that reeks of rotting flesh to lure pollinators, and a plant so parasitic it barely looks like a plant at all. The Amazon is full of wonders and terrors. The line between the two? Often very, very blurry. Ready for a wild journey? Let's go. High in the canopy, look for a tree wrapped in a web of roots. That's the strangler fig in action. It starts as a tiny seed dropped by a bird onto a host tree's branch. The fig sends roots down the trunk, slowly reaching the ground. Once anchored, it grows rapidly, thickening its roots into a woody cage. The fig squeezes the host, cutting off water and nutrients. Above, its leaves steal sunlight, starving the host from both ends. Over decades, the host tree dies, leaving a hollow lattice of fig roots. The strangler fig stands alone, a monument to its ruthless strategy. It doesn't just take nutrients, it takes over the host's place in the forest. This is survival by slow-motion takeover. In the Amazon, even plants can be predators. The strangler fig is proof. Patience can be deadly. Nature's quietest killers are often the most relentless. Now, down on the forest floor, hold your nose. Meet the corpse flower, Amorphophallus titanum. It's not a killer, but a master of trickery. When it blooms, it unleashes a stench of rotting flesh. This foul odor lures carrion beetles and flesh flies who think they've found a fresh carcass. The flower's deep red color and meaty texture complete the illusion. Insects crawl inside, searching for a place to lay eggs and get dusted with pollen. Fooled, they leave empty-handed, but carry the pollen to the next corpse flower. No reward, just deception. The corpse flower steals pollination services with a disgusting lie. In the Amazon, survival means outsmarting everyone, even your helpers. Parasitism isn't just theft. Sometimes it's pure fraud. The corpse flower is a botanical con artist. Now for the strangest parasite of all, Rafflesia arnoldi. This plant has no leaves, stems, or roots. It lives as invisible threads inside a jungle vine. For years, it's just a hidden freeloader, stealing water and nutrients from its host. Then, it bursts out as the world's largest flower, over 3 feet wide, weighing up to 22 pounds. Like the corpse flower, it reeks of rotting meat to attract flies for pollination. The bloom lasts only days before vanishing, leaving no trace but its scent. Rafflesia is the ultimate parasite, outsourcing everything to its host. It challenges our very idea of what a plant is. No photosynthesis, no structure, just a ghostly bloom and a stinky trick. Evolution has stripped it down to the bare essentials: survive, reproduce, disappear. In the Amazon, even plants can be phantoms. Rafflesia is nature's most bizarre monster. The Amazon isn't just a paradise, it's a battlefield. Under the green canopy, a silent war rages. The strangler fig, corpse flower, and Rafflesia aren't evil, they're survivors. Each has found a shocking shortcut to survival: steal, strangle, deceive. Parasitism is nature's loophole, a ruthless path to success. These plants reveal the rainforest's true nature: ingenious, brutal, and endlessly creative. The zombie ant fungus is just one story among millions. The real monsters are often the smallest and most cunning. Next time you see a plant, remember, there's a hidden battle beneath the leaves. In the Amazon, survival is a game with few rules, and the wildest strategies win. That's what makes exploring nature so amazing.